Good morning, students. In last video, we are discussing about objective of Olympic movement and opening ceremony of modern Olympic Games. Today, we are going to discuss different Olympic Games. First, we can talk about Paralympics. Paralympics or Para-Olympic Games. Paralympics are international multi-sports activity or game for athletes suffering from disability. पैरालंपिक गेम्स वो गेम्स हैं पैरालंपिक्स जो कि उन एथलीट्स के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं, उन पर्सन्स के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं जो सफरिंग कर रहे होते हैं डिसेबिलिटीज़। इन 1948 फर्स्ट टाइम सर लुडविग गटमन organized multi-sports event for soldiers who injured in World War II. लुडविग जॉन ऐसे पहले व्यक्ति थे जिन्होंने उन सोल्जर्स के लिए अलग से गेम्स किए जो वर्ल्ड वार सेकेंड में इंजर्ड हो गए थे और वो डिसेबल्ड हो गए थे फिजिकली। फर्स्ट टाइम these games officially organized or conducted in year 1960 at Rome. The term Paralympics officially used in year 1988. The term Paralympics, पहली बार पैरालंपिक्स जो टर्म है वो यूज़ किया था ऑफिशियली 1988 में। Paralympic Games have been held in every Olympic year. These games organized every Olympic year. It means it also conducted at same year when Olympic Games has been organized, and it is also organized at the same venue. Like in 2016 Olympic Games organized in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Just like that, after the completion of Olympic Games, then Paralympic Games also organized at same country and same venue. Means 2016 Paralympic Games also organized in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The idea behind the Paralympics game. The idea behind to start Paralympic Games is to change public attitude towards disability और डिसेबल पर्सन। ये गेम्स स्टार्ट करने के पीछे मेनली मोटिव क्या था? पैरालंपिक गेम्स मेनली मोटिव ये था कि हम लोग मेंटलिटी और एटीट्यूड थिंकिंग को चेंज करें पब्लिक की, जो ये सोचती है कि डिसेबल पर्सन कुछ कर नहीं सकता है, किसी चीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकता। टू चेंज द पब्लिक थिंकिंग, दीज गेम्स has to be organized at year 2016. As I told you earlier, at year 2016 Rio de Janeiro, Rio Paralympics, 22 sports are included. 22 sports activities are included where more than 5,000 participant or an athlete take part in it. It includes different types of games like athletics. People participate in cycling, basketball, volleyball, बैडमिंटन, शूटिंग, टेबल टेनिस, टेनिस, जूडो, and many other games. These games governed by International Paralympic Committee. These games governed by International Paralympic Committee. These committees formed or set up in year 1989. We can say these committee, IPC, International Paralympic Committee, set up in year 1989. We move on to next Olympic, Special Olympic. Special Olympic. Special Olympic were founded by E. Kennedy Shriver. These Olympic was first established by E. Kennedy Shriver in year 1968 at US. Chicago. Chicago is a place where first time E. Kennedy Shriver organized Special Olympic. The mission of Special Olympic to provide opportunity for those persons who suffering from intellectual disability, ID problem. Intellectual disability means जिन पर्सन्स का IQ लेवल बहुत कम होता है, दे आर फेसिंग इन कम्युनिकेशन टू अदर, फेसिंग social problem, etc. Those person who suffering from intellectual disability, for these person E. Kennedy Shriver start Special Olympic Games. Due to this, a child learn slowly. As we know, a person who suffering from intellectual disability, they are learn slowly anything than a typical developing child as compared to another child. In these Olympic, only those person can take part in competition whose IQ level is below than 75. Next Olympic is Winter Olympic Games. Winter Olympic Games, according to names we can understand, winter means such kind of Olympic Games organized in the country or in the duration where winter has to be there. Winter Olympic Games, in these games are performed in snow and ice. These games perform in snow and ice. First time these games organized in year 1924. इसमें जो गेम्स खेले जाते हैं मेनली आइस और स्नो पर खेले जाते हैं. पहली बार ये गेम्स ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए थे 1924 में. कैमोनिक्स, अ प्लेस नेम, कंट्री फ्रांस. These Olympic Games held after 3 years or every 4 years. Held after 3 years or every 4 years. And between these games and Summer Olympic Games, 2 years difference. It means they are conducted between the Summer Olympics, between 2 Summer Olympic Games. Or we can say it can be organized 2 years after Summer Olympic. 2 years after Summer Olympic Games. These games include different kind of activity like alpine skiing, ice hockey, ski jumping, speed skating on ice, etc. India also take part in Paralympics, Winter Olympics, Special Olympic and Summer Olympic Games.